So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the services tab. You now want to tick this box where it says hide all Microsoft services. And now in your case, you want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see VMware Authorization Service. I don't have it on my computer, but you're going to be having VMware Authorization Service. Once you find that, make sure that you tick the box. Make sure that the box is ticked and then click on OK. It's now going to ask you to restart your computer. Don't do it yet. We're going to click on exit without restart. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on V on your keyboard. You're going to do the same thing. You want to find VMware Authorization Service. Again, I don't have it on my computer, but once you find VMware Authorization Service, you're going to double click on it. You're going to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.